All right, so today we were able to open up for the first time the Cyberize ONE, which is something that I've been supporting through Kickstarter, which is supposed to be a one-shop solution for charging, expanding, and even having storage. Now, right off the bat, just letting you know, I don't recall supporting or asking for the 1 terabyte solution, so I'm not really sure if I'll have an SSD drive in this one. So the Cyberize comes in this little packaging, and it's supposed to be for, compact traveling, so you can connect a portable device like a console or a laptop, and you can charge to transfer data into the SSD drive, as well as also expanding and connecting another monitor into it. So this is not too shabby. It's pretty interesting. This little Cyberize ONE has, or the concept is that it's supposed to charge, expand, and backup. So I don't recall if I actually got the 1 terabyte storage solution one. I'll test it out in a minute. But this one comes with, the regular 110 volts connection. Plus, it has additional connectors. So if you're traveling, you can use this in whichever country you're going. You can just snap them over, and that should help you out to connect it to anywhere else. It also has this orange band. It's a silicone band, which is pretty much just to showcase their branding, but it also has other 2 bands which would allow you to customize. So it has a white silicone band and also a black one. I guess if you had more than one, then you just identify them by changing the bands. But yeah, it's this. It also comes with a USB-C cable. Now the cool thing about this is that it actually has multiple outputs or solutions. So one of them is this little box here this little opening here is the LED indicator. So when you're accessing the storage, like the SSD drive, it would lit up. I don't recall if it's orange, white, or which color it is. In a minute when we test it out, we will know. It also has this here says 65 watts, but the instruction says that it actually has up to 60 watts fast charging, and it also supports 10 gigabytes per second data transmission. It also has 2 USB 3.2 ports, and an HDMI 1.4 port, which actually supports 1080p at 120 hertz, 2K at 60 hertz, and 4K at 30. So in theory, for example, because they advertise that you can use this with your console, you could probably connect your Nintendo Switch to this through USB-C, and then output it to a monitor to the HDMI 1.4 port. I do not feel too confident connecting my Nintendo Switch here, so I'll let you know about that in a minute. Last but not least is the little pocket package that you can put everything together, and that would allow you to just travel with this easily in a safe manner. So I have a laptop here, and this is going to be the very first test. So I'll be using Cyberize ONE with this laptop just to test out to see if at least I can either get a storage, because I really need to know if this truly has the 1 terabyte storage. As I said before, I do not recall actually requesting the one with storage, but it does says 1 terabyte, so we'll figure it out. And I want to know how it actually charges the computer. So as I suspected, right now I do not see an additional hard drive or an external SSD storage. So yes, indeed, this one doesn't have additional storage, which I was expecting that to happen anyways. It does work. I'm currently connecting my Nintendo Switch using the Cyberize cable, and it's connected to the Cyberize ONE dock with the HDMI cable, and I can actually output into my monitor without any issues. Unfortunately, I can't really play on handheld, as you can see, because that's how the Nintendo Switch works. As soon as you connect a USB-C connection, USB-C cable, it goes into dock mode, so the screen goes totally black, and the Joy-Cons that are connected will not respond unless I disconnect them. So there you have it. That's the Cyberize ONE. If you're interested in more products like this, just go ahead and make sure to watch the next video up here. See you in the next one.